So, next category is Vogue with a prop. And this is OTA, meaning it's just Vogue. So if you're a new way, you can walk. If you're an old way, you can walk. And if you're a Vogue fan, of course. All you need is a prop, and you need to Vogue with your prop. Do not drop the prop, because if you drop the prop, then you're not Voguing with a prop, are you? Vogue with a prop. You are now. Grab any item if you wish to walk. 1098, 765, 4, 3. I'm in my boots, bitch. I'm in my boots, bitch. I'm in my boots, bitch. In my boots, boots. Just across the board, stay to the sideline. Anybody else? I don't want to dip no more. I don't want to dip no fucking more. Can I get out of my seat? Can I get out of my seat? I don't want to dip no more. I don't want to dip no fucking more. Can I get out of my seat? Can I get out of my seat? Across the board, stand to the side. Anybody else 1098? Oh, Bodega is back. I don't wanna lie. I just wanna do nine. Get it put in the way. Give it to the new way survey. Get it put in the way. Give it to the new way survey. Give it to the new way. Get it put in the way survey. Give it to the new way. Get it put in the way survey. Across the board. Stand to the sideline. Anybody else that's walking? 1098, 765, 4, 3, 2. Across the board, stand to the side. Anybody else that's walking? 1098, 765, 4, 3, 2, 1. Category is now closed. For the battles, do they have to vote with the prop as well? Yes.
Can you pause the beat for a second? Can we like get different props? Like everyone has the same prop. Like show us something else. Do you have a mop or something? Do you have, I don't know. Just give us something. There's a bow. Baby, you're going. Yeah, that's a cute prop. Maybe someone can use it for a bit. They're gonna break it. No. Don't give it to them. Give them different props. Like.
Let me think.
This is also a prop, you can take it. We've seen your scars, we've seen your furs, it's cute, there's something else.
The back round of applause. One in the front, one. The front stage, we give a big round of applause. Final battle. If you need some water, have some. Whoop, I got them style.
Do we need new props?
No, keep the same props. Can you get, do you have the data? Yeah. Lubricate that throat. Lubricate. Let's go. And hold back, hold for one in the front. One. The front is the red stage. Grand prize. Big your huge heart, a round of applause.